and welcome to Time Travel Tuesday. My name is Lisa. I'm an interpreter here at Historic Bratonsville, and today we're in the kitchen and we're making little soda cakes. It's a kind of cookie. It's a little chilly in here, so we're liking to work around the fire today. Our recipe is kind of large, so I have halved this recipe. But our first step is to dissolve a teaspoon of soda in a pint of hot sour milk. And this is a half pint of sour milk. And we're just gonna put a little bit of soda in there. And we don't keep our soda, our sour milk sitting around. I soured it with vinegar this morning. So we're gonna let that sit there and do its thing. And then we will put our flour, just right here, and a half a pound of sugar. So that's a pound of flour. There we go. Bunch of sugar. And half a pound of butter, which we went ahead and melted because it's so cold in here today that otherwise we end up with lumpy butter cookies. So the recipe says rubbing it in. We melted it in the butter and the sugar. And once we've got that nicely mixed, I'm going to sprinkle on a wine glass of wine, but it's perfectly acceptable to substitute white grape juice, and that is what I have done. Now we're going to add our sour milk with its baking soda in it. And we're going to knead it a little bit. Roll it out about a half an inch thick, which is pretty thick, really. Now our recipe says to cut it into cakes with a sweet cake cutter. But I'm assuming that means a cookie cutter, but I forgot mine. So we're going to use just a nice round cookie cutter. It can be sweet. Put these on our version of a cookie, cookie sheet, baking sheet. And then we'll put them in the oven. So we got our first batch out of the oven. We've got the rest of them cut out and ready to go. And now it's just a process of keeping our oven brisk enough to get everything done. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.